So every user of the system should be authorized in order to get access to it. In order to do that, it has to have a valid email address, which is registered and approved by the system, and valid password to the system. If the user is a newcomer, it can be sign up to the system. And here we can see two possibilities for signing to the system. Either the user can register himself or herself actually as a personal account, or an institution can be registered to the system. We are supporting three types of institutions, either museum, school, and actually two types of institutions, sorry, school and museum. So if you are registering as a personal user to the system, you are asked to select whether you are a member of a school or a museum. Both are excluding each other. If you select school, then you should select the country of origin, and then you should select the school to which you are associated. This means that your institution should be registered upfront and approved by the system administrator. In order to register an institution, this should be done by a responsible person from the institution. One who is responsible person for that institution should select whether he should like to register a school or a museum. In this case, the type of account that will be created in the system would be museum administrator or school administrator. You should fill the country of origin or where that institution is located. Then you should type the name of the institution, your first name and last name as a responsible person, then your email address, your password, and confirm the password itself. You should agree to the terms of use of the system, and then press the sign up button. After pressing the sign up, an email will arrive on your personal email address where you can see the further steps and how the approval process will go if you are registering an institution. If you are registering your personal account, in this case, you should just receive a mail from which you can see what are the steps further you should make in order to activate it. On the other side, if we have, since we will have responsible persons for the institutions like museum or school administrator, they should register users for their institutions. In that case, for example, if you select that you are registered museum administrator, you can create accounts for your tour guides. And if you are a school administrator, you can create accounts for your teachers and for your students. After registration, actually, and approved to the system by entering valid username and password, and you will be redirected to the control panel. In the current case, I'm logged in as system administrator, so I can see all the menus here, and this is more suitable for explanation. I will go menu by menu. The first one is the menu called classes, under which you can see and manage the classes to all of the schools which are registered to the system. Since I'm system administrator, I can see all the school classes from all the schools registered in the system. If you are a school administrator or a teacher, you can just see the classes which are associated to the school in which you are teaching or the school which you are administrating. How can you add a class? Using this menu, add new class. Adding a